He looks pretty. I like your hair like that.
Thank you. I can actually see out of both eyes.
You look girly. It's a good thing. It's hot. Kitty. You don't like what she's making.
You should be Gracie's boyfriend.
He is my boyfriend.
Okay, let's go on a double date. You and Twinkie and me and Ken.
No, thank you.
You touched my food, you bitch.
My hands are clean.
Ew, what is that? It's green poop.
It looks like your face. Look at the parasite, you guys. Look at it. Oh.
Can I just use a spoon or?
Whipped cream.